don't need, okay, the manage node requirement, all of that. So we are not going to go deep on each of them. I want you to please, if you are taking this training, make sure if you want to be expert, okay, or you want to use Ansible, please make sure to consult this documentation, okay, every time to know about the inventory, everything that you need, okay. Now for the installation, you can see here the installation guide. I will provide this link also for you, okay, and then you see now this is documentation. If you want to install in the and with Unix, you see Action Unix, Debian, EPEL, all of that. You get more information about each of them, okay. If I click on control node requirement, okay, you see all the requirement that you need to, you see Ansible core. So all of that I already discussed about that before, okay. So this is how you can get documentation about that and move forward with your automation journey. Now, let's go back to our terminal, and now I will show you the easy way that I used to install. Okay, DNF install Ansible-core. Okay, I want to install Ansible Ansible Navigator too. Okay, Navigator. Let me put -y to know. The process is going. Now, this is complete. So what the next thing that we to do, we have to, let's check. Okay, let's check it. Before I move forward, let me do something about the automation that we want to use. Okay, the automation user that we want to use. Let me check something on that. Okay. AI enable, let me check the password. Okay, let me set the password for password. Okay, for automation user. Let me put password. Okay, now clear my screen and let me SU automation. Okay, so I'm able to log in as automation now. And before that, let's make sure that we set up the sudo permission to the automation. Okay, so what we are going to do is now let me exit again and do vsudo command and go down. Okay, go down like this, and we can see here the password. Okay, you can do YY and P, copy and paste. And now let's put automation here, user here, because automation here, and user automation will be able to run to use the sudo privilege. Now let me SU to automation user. Okay, if I do ls, now you can see pwd and /home automation, or who am I? And you can see we have automation. Now, the next thing that we have to do in this case, after this one, let's use sudo install, okay, by environment. So we need this command with this package is need by the system, okay, to be able to communicate with Ansible with our Windows system, okay, by WinRM. Sudo, or sorry, supposed to be sudo yum or sudo dnf install. instead of use sudo or DNF, let's use, how about if we use pipe? Okay, let's try this one and see, you see. I know this one, you won't be able to do that, okay, with binary roaming, okay? So let's do this one, let's do pip3, okay? pip3 install or pip install. Let's do pip install. All of this one, if you check the documentation, you should see that pip install p-win roaming, p-win, okay, let's do that. Pip doesn't exist, command not found. Okay, let's see. And okay, you want to install Python 3-pip? Yes. Okay. Yes. It failed. So now let's become root user. Okay, you'll be able to do that as root. With techno. Okay, and now just do the same thing, pip3. I'll see that sudo dnf install ping roaming. This not work. Now pip, okay, pip doesn't exist. Let's try this one the same way, okay, and we see what you are going to see. Okay, command of phone, you want to install? Yes. Yes, again. So sometime when don't panic when you get some error. Yeah, that is part of IT. That is part of system engineer. Okay. Dirty. Anytime that you get stuck or you get an error, please don't panic. Think about the way that you can resolve it. Okay. So those are the system. So we have to think and search the solution for that. Okay. So now we're installing Python 3-pipe. Okay, to provide this pipe command. Okay, it's taking time. Okay, let's see. Okay, installing packages. Now it's collecting the URM now for installation. So after this one, this setup, we are going to do the same thing. We are going to do some setup on a Windows side, on Windows system. Okay, especially the WinRM. The Windows system need to work on, to communicate and use Ansible. Okay, connect to the master node, I mean the control node, which is Ansible. Now you can see here, okay, you can see is a successfully installed. So the command complete, and we'll continue. Now that's good. We already have PyWinRM installed. So that's it for how to say that, for Red Hat. For Linux side, the control what we need on that. Okay, this is what we need for the setup. The next thing now that we have to do is to do the same thing, make some setup, okay, on how to say that, on Windows side. Now, before we move forward, I want you to understand something. I want I want to install something again, okay, about